Hearty greetings to you all. In this video, we are going to know more on notice writing. Notice writing is a formal means of communication. Notice writing is a formal announcement for the group of people. It gives important information about something that is about to take place. It is written or printed information. Now let us know the format of notice writing. First, the name of the organization should be written on the top of the page. It helps the readers to identify who issued the notice. Secondly, the title notice should be written in bold letters and it lets the readers know that they are going to read the notice. Always write the title NOTICE in the center. Thirdly, date should be written on the left corner and a suitable heading should be written on the center. Heading should reflect what is the notice about in brief. Next, the body of the notice should contain all the necessary information recorded in the notice, like time of an event, venue of the event, and a date. Mainly, it should be written in a passive voice without the use of first person. Finally, signature, name, and designation of the person who issues the notice should be mentioned in the left corner of the notice. Now, let us draft a notice informing students of the change in school timings with effect from 1st of November. First of all, a notice is always written in a box. First, write the name of the institution, such as Government Higher Secondary School, Lower Camp. Next, write the title, notice, in bold letter. NOTICE in bold letter. Now write the date in a clear format such as 21st October 2021 and the heading as change in school timings. Now the body of the notice can be written as in a very precise manner such as all students are hereby informed about a change in school timings from 1st November 2021. The school will start at 9 a.m. and end at 3:30 p.m. Always write the body of the notice in a very precise manner. Finally, write the name of the head such as principal in the left corner of the notice. Instead of principal, we can also write headmaster. On exam point of view, notice writing is asked for 3 marks in the third section, part C, in a creative competency. Now let us draft a notice informing students about an educational tour to Delhi scheduled between 4th November to 8th November. First, write the name of the school, such as Government Higher Secondary School, Lower Camp, and the title NOTICE notice in bold letter. Now, write the date and the heading as Educational Tour to Delhi. Always give a catchy heading. Now the body of the notice can be written in a very precise manner, such as all students are hereby informed of an educational tour to Delhi scheduled between 4th November to 8th November 2021. Interested students are asked to give their names to their class teacher. Finally, write the name of the head such as principal or headmaster in the left corner of the notice. Don't forget to write the notice in a box. Now I hope you have learned the art of writing a notice in a very precise manner. Thank you very much.